Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Today I'm calling it a barbecue or picnic day. Or picnic, as Yogi Bear used to say. I hope you all had a great weekend. The weather here in Sutter County, California was absolutely beautiful. It's going to be a little bit warmer today. Okay, enough of the weather. Last night, I prepared Hawaiian-style teriyaki chicken over white rice. Mwah. Very good. Very, very, very good. Very easy. I will definitely get this recipe up this morning for you to peruse and enjoy. Like I said, today is basically barbecue and or a picnic day because I am doing my macaroni salad, which will go with tonight's dinner. And if Robin doesn't take it to work, we'll have it for a meal or two after that. But I'm going to have to either put a lock on the refrigerator so Robin doesn't take it to work, which she's very welcome to, because this is one of our favorite salads. And I'm doing the oven-baked ribs. These are always a pleaser. Yeah. We bought this rack, a couple months ago. So we're getting to it because this is the last week of the month. All the proteins this week came out of the freezer. So our grocery bill yesterday was not super low, but it was lower than kind of our average week. We saved a bunch of money. And we stocked up on some proteins because it was on sale. We got some shrimp, some 4150s, because they were really on sale. And we got some boneless, skinless chicken breasts. As you know, I do a lot of thighs. But my cats are playing. But the chicken breasts were at a really good deal. So we picked up a couple packages of that, which will give us 4 meals. So, today, again, my macaroni salad, oven-baked ribs. Let's get to it. Got the hardware going. Of course, there's pasta. I'm going to go with medium shells instead of the standard old elbow macaroni. But medium shells, some kosher salt, black pepper, diced red bell pepper, diced onion, some diced celery, some tomatoes. I have some left. I overbought on cherry tomatoes, so I got a bunch of cherry tomatoes. I'm going to half. I'm going to dice up this little Roma. Some parsley, flat leaf Italian. For the sauce is mayonnaise, sour cream, just a bit of sugar. I'm actually using honey truffle mustard. It was in the fridge, and because I'm out of my Sierra Nevada Porter mustard, I'm actually going to go with white wine vinegar instead of the apple cider. I want to just change it up a little bit. It's still going to be very yummy. For the ribs, I got a rack of ribs here. Let's see how many pounds. Just about 2 pounds. A little bit of olive oil. This is basically the seasonings are for both the rub and for the sauce. Garlic powder, onion powder, cumin, paprika, cayenne pepper, which I might switch it over to Indian red pepper, minced onion, this is the third time I've used this. This is a Nob Hill. It's just a straight barbecue sauce. Some Lee & Perrins Worcestershire, and of course, good old garlic will go in the sauce. Of course, I got to kill that bottle of Worcestershire. Of course, a sheet pan for the ribs. And that is my Monday. I'll be getting on this macaroni salad pretty much straight away. After I get the message up and get my Monday morning stuff done, which is not very much. Because I like to get my prep done. Not a lot of prep done. Whoa. My voice is not changing, I promise. That happened years ago. The prep for the ribs is pretty easy. I get a plate mixologist on the rub and the sauce, which the beauty of the sauce is we get about another cup of this sauce after everything's done and slathered, and I stick it in the cold box, and I use it on other things like meatloaf and so forth. So on this marvelous Monday, this picnic and barbecue Monday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.